got a date. We want the grand jury in 2023. We're going to end this Jim Crow justice in Baltimore. Mark check! It's called Public Accommodations Act, 1964. Martin Luther King, look at that. Read your Constitution. This Fox 45 right here. Nobody's camera's stronger than nobody else's. All right? So today we're going to get justice. I don't get no justice. Y'all don't get no peace. You feel me? It's Christmas time in the city. Live and late breaking. This is ABC2. That's ABC2, WMAR. And this is me. In 2011, I put a toilet in front of the Towson Courthouse exposing the corruption in Baltimore City and Baltimore County courts. The money y'all's making off of stop and frisk. I turned in the gun task force in 2010. Y'all didn't lock them up until 2018, 2019. I'm an activist in Baltimore. I'm not a terrorist. It's the art of protest, the art of getting money. A toilet don't care if you black, white, straight, or gay. A toilet take your shit every day. But I use the toilet for the underground. And that's how we gonna get down. Monopoly, the Cheaters edition. Our votes matter. You feel me? And ex-felons got a right to vote. So Ivan Bates, that's evidence. Video vigilante got a story called Shorty. And I got 1 million of them. $250 million worth. Baltimore beat. We gonna beat the streets. You feel me? Everything that I got, right here. ABC2, it's you too. That will congratulate a person doing the same thing as you, just not you, just because it's you. And that's me. 11 years ago, y'all locked me up for applying for Martin Luther King's job. I'm a black man living in white America. You feel me? And that's the paperwork. Frederick Douglass and Harriet Tubman. I gave you a ghetto Da Vinci Code. And we're going to the Supreme Court with this. You feel me? We're going to the Supreme Court with this. Public Accommodation Civil Rights Act. Y'all having a meeting on the 5th. That's the Board of Elections. That's Jared Jimenez from the Board of Elections. That's Donald Trump, and that's Donald Trump. If y'all going after Donald Trump and his taxes, I want an audit too. I want a federal and state audit. And you ain't in office no more. Brooke Lerman gonna take your place. IRS, $250 million. That's President Biden, the Department of Justice. And those are the criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. I was kidnapped by the state because I was making a documentary about y'all's money machine. Ivan Bates, you got to testify. See that? That's the Department of Justice. That's a movie release. You see that? That's Marilyn Mosby. That's a movie release. See that? That's the head public defender. And that's my complaint to the head public defender as a whistleblower. See that? Racism in America's judicial system. Amendments to the Constitution. You got a job to do. Do your job or lose your job. That's Marilyn Mosby. She been had this since 2014. Public Accommodations Act, 2012. We talking about Monopoly, the Cheaters edition. That's Marilyn Mosby. And she getting ready to go to jail. But she gonna go to jail for something more than what she charged with. Eric Barron, Department of Justice, you gotta charge her with conspiracy, parties to a crime. She been protecting Scott Shellenberger. This ain't wishful thinking. She gonna go to jail. Toilet is decorated. It's artwork. That's Doc Cheatham. That's Kwaisi and Fume. And that's my family. You kidnapped me from my family in 2007 and again in 2011. I'm the cook in Baltimore. Never bite the hand that feeds you. We talking about lifestyles. That's Marilyn Mosby. That's Judge Bell. That's Corey McCrae. And right here it says I was making a movie about the Democratic Party. And I gave y'all that information in 2007. I gave it to you in 2007. You feel me? We're at the War Memorial today. I'm an honorably discharged veteran of the United States Navy. That's the Department of Justice. You see that? Mail referral unit. That's the States Attorney's Office. Y'all got that. That's the Maryland Controller. That's Mosby. And this is me from 1986. Movie release. Michael Nearham. That's the United States Senate. John Cardins. That's Miss Gion. I'm a whistleblower. Mary Barbera. Judge Cox. Movie release. Governor Hogan. Movie release. If Blagojevich can go to jail, Governor Hogan can go to jail. You see who that is? You see who that is? See who that is? That's Brian Frosh. And that's Mayor Pugh. And this is Baltimore, Rewired, the money behind the machine. All right? So like I said, this Fox 45. And we're going to be live today. How you doing? Happy New Year. Fox 45 participated in the fraud, and they've been shielding this. We're going to talk about the corruption with the Atlas Group. We're going to talk about the corruption in Baltimore, the money behind the machine. I'm doing a documentary about Fox 45, Bill O'Reilly, and the prison industry. And I got it on film, YouTube, social media for social change. So our camera's going to be here all day. So we're going to get used to this. Public accommodations. All right? So we all clear on this. That's their camera, this is my camera, and this is our conversation.